If you're building a chest or a bench with an enclosed space, you're going to need a lid. And along with that, you're going to need some hinges and a lid stay of some kind. Well, there's a new system from Aileron. And Wes Klug, one of Rockler's hardware specialists, is here to tell us about it. Wes, what would you like to tell us about Aileron?
Yeah, as a hardware geek, there's really great technology built into the Aileron system from Sugatsune. First being 3 technologies built into the dampener of 1. You have lift assist on the door, you have a lid stay, and you have the soft close function. And the dampener system lives on top of European hinges. So if you've installed traditional European hinges before, it'll be a breeze to install. And we also offer jigs that can speed that process up for you as well.
Sure. Now you can get these features from other systems, but not combined in the way that the Aileron system is combined.
Exactly. It's a nice kit with 2 European hinges, all of the mounting hardware and the mounting plates you need, as well as the dampener system.
Now, is there more than one style of Aileron for your application, a lid versus a cabinet door, for instance?
Absolutely. So they have the traditional chest or bench style, and then they also have what I call an upward opening for maybe an upper cabinet in a kitchen. Those kits come in 2 torque ranges, and you can see the applicable torque range that works for you on our website.
Sure, sure. Well, why don't you show us how the parts actually clip together on the dampener?
Absolutely. As you install the European hinges, what you want to do is get those installed first. And then the nice thing is you have the European hinge adjustment. So you have left, right, up, down, and lateral, forward and backwards. When you have the European hinge, you'll mount it on the mounting plate. Install that, like I said, make your adjustments. And then real simply, the dampener lives right on top of that hinge.
Sure. Great. And how does the dampener actually work? Is it a hydraulic system or is it a spring-loaded system?
It's a spring-loaded dampener that has the technology built in for all three features, and then it has adjustability, 1 through 5 for torque ranges, and easily adjustable with a Phillips screwdriver.
Oh, great, great. Now is Aileron available now?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They're in stock now. We're shipping them right away.
And at a price point of?
Under $40.
Under $40. And if our viewers want to get more information, again, where should they go to seek that out?
Yep, rockler.com and search Aileron.
Great. Well, I'm Chris Marshall from Woodworkers Journal Magazine. Wes, thanks for showing us the new system, and check it out.
Thanks.